set.
You may bury me today, you may put me to the grave,
but don't hammer in the nails
to my coffin.
Nails are very useful thing. Nail them just to everything, but not to coffin of mine. Build a house or build a boat, nail your boots 'cause they are old. Simply use the nails on the way that's right.
You may bury me today, you may put me to the grave,
but don't hammer in the nails
to my coffin.
Only thing that left to say, if you somehow see my face right behind your window late at night, do not scream and don't be scared. The nails
To my coffin.
Nails are very useful thing. Nail them just to everything, but not to coffin of mine. Build a house or build a boat, nail your boots 'cause they are old. Simply use the nails on the way that's right.